Oga, good afternoon.
Sabinus.
Oga.
Sabinus.
Oga, na my name.
Sabinus, I employed you here because I want you to secure my house and myself.
Yes, Oga.
Do you understand?
Yes, Oga.
Sabinus, this area is very dangerous. Kidnappers, they worry for here, where? Armed robbers, they come here, where? You have to focus. Do you understand? You have to concentrate.
Yes, Oga.
To give me maximum security. Do you understand, Sabinus?
Yes, Oga. Oga, that one no be problem. The place where they work before, they supposed to tell you now. Now concentration and focus make them pursue me themselves. I too focus for the work. I know they eat food. Now what make the man pursue me? Say the concentration is much. So that concentration what I use there, and they bring them over to this place. Focus and concentration is my aim here.
Sabinus.
Yes, Oga. Oga, nothing they happen to you.
Sabinus, let me believe what you said.
Oga,
Do you understand?
Yes, Oga.
Well, now, go to your post, Sabinus.
Oga, food there. Make I start work.
Sabinus, you have not started work and you're looking for food.
Your loving day, my belly sings.
This man!
If I not see you, I not feel sleep. Your love day, I pass any sea. Hey, I pull up in your crib. It's time to see you almost. She be you look fancy to my side. JJ the day all night long. Promise not to play you like it dice. Cooling my temper like it ice. Eddie, man, you do me something. Eddie, man, you do me something. No. I fit to Maya for you.
Sabinus, your services are no longer needed in this house. Sabinus, do you know I was kidnapped?
Oga, who kidnapped you for this place? When me are there? Who is that fool?
You be mumu.
Person go come here kidnap your Oga. Can you imagine?
You were not informed too?
You now remember, Abi, Sabinus. In case you don't know, these were the people I used to give you a small test, but you failed it.
But you hope another defeat day.
No, na me fuck up.